Hello friends, welcome to C Programming Tutorials. In this class we are going to learn about statements. So what is a statement? A statement causes an action to be performed by the program. C define 11 types of statements. One is null, second one is expression, third one is return, fourth one is compound, fifth one is conditional, sixth one is labeled, seventh one switch, eighth one iterative, so ninth one is break, 10th one is continue, 11th one is go to. So first we see null statement. What is a null statement? So null statement is nothing but nothing that we can write with the help of semicolon. That's it. So all the instructions in C is terminating with semicolon. If you are writing the semicolon only, then this we are called as a null expression. So next one, expression. If you are writing anything before this semicolon, for example, int a equals to 5 and semicolon. So this we are called as a expression. So next one, return statement. So return statement is used to terminate the function. So for example, in our programs we write like this, void main. Here the return type is void, so we don't write any return value. In many programs, it seems like this, int main, so open bracket, the last line is return 0. So now, return 0, 0 is the integer. Here you can specify that the return type is int, so you can write return 0. Here the return statement is used to terminate this function. Okay. So next one, compound statement. Compound statement is nothing but open bracket, close bracket. So this part we are called as we are going to write some statements. So these statements we are called as a compound statement. Okay. So next one, conditional statements. In future classes we are going to see all these statements. So now we see one line definition to all these statements. So conditional means if else and if else ladder, all these are conditional statements. So next one, labeled. Labeled means in some programs we are going to use some namespace. So these are labeled statements. Another one is switch statement. So switch is also a statement we are going to use for branching. Iterative statements, while, do while and for. These statements you are going to use it for iterations. Next, break statement, continue statement, go to statements. So these three are unconditional statements we discuss in our future classes. In this class, the important point is the first one. In C, every statement is terminating with semicolon. Okay, every statement in C, almost all the statements are terminating with semicolon. Okay, and we remember one thing, when we define hash define pi, 3.14. If you use in this statement, you don't use semicolon. So when you complete this course, you automatically understand all these statements.